Guys, so today I'm reviewing this professional hair curler that I got by LESCOLTON. As you can see, I blow dry my hair and I am excited to get the curl, so I'm going to heat it up and get you back. Okay, so you guys, I wanted to try it out, so I already did one. This only took 30 seconds to preheat. There are 4 different heat levels on here, and then you can curl in either direction. So it's so easy. Look at how pretty that is. So literally all you do is you take a strand and you put it right here, and then you press the direction in which you want to go, and it pulls it in, and then you wait for it to beep. So there's no counting, there's no wrong timing, there's no burning your hair. You just wait to hear the beep, and then you pull it out, and it's a perfect curl. Oh my God, I am so excited, you guys. Perfect curl every time. So beautiful, and it only took me about 10 minutes to do my entire head. And as you can see, I have pretty long hair, so I'm very happy with the results.